When we first started this bed, this was gonna be our ginger, turmeric, and asparagus bed. But we actually ended up getting some seed tape, and we wanted to put it down. Actually, some seed tape for some carrots and beets. And we really wanted to see how good it would do. We wanted to see how good it would do as far as germination. So as far as this year, it did amazing. I mean, I'm looking at, I would say 90 upwards to 95% of the seeds that we actually planted, we saw germination. We also saw some bugs eat some of them, but for the most part, they didn't mess with this bed. Now those that I put in the front bed, they ate them when they was real small. I mean, like the beets, whatever bug it was like overnight, it just destroyed them. So what we're gonna do today is, because I wanna do a video later on this week or this upcoming week about how we propagate our ginger, but I need space for the ginger, and the carrots wasn't supposed to be here anyway, so we're gonna harvest all of those today, and we'll probably end up putting them just in the freezer, and that way we can get this ginger in the ground and growing. Hopefully we're not too late, hopefully it's not too hot. So I guess I'm gonna let the little one grab some. This is the one day where you don't say stop when the kids are grabbing that stuff that's not ready. So it should be enjoyable. So for everybody, thank y'all for watching. And as always, grow, grow, grow. I really do feel like the black Bugs Bunny. What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? I actually threw this one in the compost right over there because I guess the water is really starting to get to it. We've been getting a lot of rain, But check this out. Now I gotta start washing it because some of that stuff there, I think I might lose. Come on by daddy, baby. So now, I would like to introduce, how they say that at church? I would like to present to some and introduce to others the Black Bugs Bunny. Grow, grow, grow. Hope you enjoy. Come here. I'll put her in a thumbnail. Let's try. I'll show you how we did this. Look up there. Say cheese. Look at the picture. Look up. Look. Look at you. Look at you. Look. Say hello. She doesn't want to cooperate, and it's hot out here. So thank y'all for watching, and as always, grow, grow, grow.